Here I have Tecno Povo 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver, I guess you can't really find it here. You can find power boost, and it's so you can set it to turn on automatically. Okay, let's enable power boost. I guess that's how they call power saving mode here on this device. And here you can also adjust optional optimization items, like you can switch screen refresh rate, you can enable dark theme, you can turn off Wi-Fi automatically if not connected, you can turn off location services. So yeah, you can also set yourself a reminder when battery is lower than 20%. You can set it to turn on automatically at a specific battery level, and you can set it to turn off automatically at 75% battery. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.